Some of the world's most stunning and breathtaking landscapes can be found in Canada, renowned for its beautiful lakes, mountains, and landscape. Also, there are stunning cities that are ideal for exploring or for beginning a vacation. Here, we'll offer you some inspiration. Below are some of Canada's best tourist destinations. 1. Toronto. One of the biggest and busiest cities in Canada is Toronto. The CN Tower is the most recognizable landmark in the city and is frequently shown on postage stamps for both the city and the entire nation. The tower has a height of 553.33 meters, a 346-meter viewing deck, and a 447-meter upper platform. 2. Cape Breton. The Cabot Trail 300 km route through the Cape Breton National Park. You'll go through a variety of terrain along the journey, including hills and beautiful coastal roads. If you're feeling brave, Cape Breton has many hiking trails to choose from, such the Skyline Trail, which offers breathtaking views of rural Canada. 3. Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada and located in the Ontario province. The city is home to the Canadian Parliament as well as top museums and attractions. 4. Quebec. Quebec is a province in Canada that speaks only French. Quebec City, the nation's capital, has charming streets dotted with small stores and cafes. The imposing Fairmont Le Chateau Frontenac. 5. Niagara Falls. One of the most beautiful collections of waterfalls in the world is located at Niagara Falls, which is on the boundary between the United States and Canada. These falls are close to Toronto and are easily reachable by car in a few hours. However, we hope we've given you some ideas of some of the best places to visit. Read things to know when visiting Canada for tips when planning your trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next video.